guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So we made it to the end of the year and New Year's is just around the corner, and typically I like to make some black eyed peas. It's been a tradition in my family for years and I'm sure it's been a tradition in a lot of yours as well. So if you want to see how I make mine, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And let me thank all of my new subscribers. I've been noticing I've been gaining a lot of subscribers lately, and I just wanted to welcome you and just thank you so much for your support. It means everything to me. But don't forget to click on that notification bell just in case when I do drop a video, you will be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So as usual, I'm going to prep all of my vegetables, and I'm going to start off by slicing and dicing one celery stalk. I mean, if you know, you know, because of course I'm going to chop 3 fresh garlic cloves. And for a little bit of heat and spice, I'm going to chop 1 jalapeno, and I'm going to take out some of the seeds, but if you like it extra spicy, then keep as many seeds as you like. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and chop half an onion. Now this is completely optional. I'm going to go ahead and add 3 cups of fresh kale, but you can add whatever greens that you like, or you can just leave it out completely. Now before I head on over to the stove, I'm going to run my knife through 8 slices of bacon. These black eyed peas is going to have so much flavor. I'm just going to add my bacon to a deep pot over medium-high heat, and I'm going to brown up my bacon until it's crispy and golden brown. So the bacon is done cooking, and I'm just going to take it out of the pan, and I'm also going to drain some of that excess grease out. And there's the bacon, and it looks so good. And now it's time to saute the vegetables. So after draining some of that grease, I'm ready to add the onions, the celery, the jalapenos, and the garlic. And you're going to saute for about 5 minutes until everything is soft and tender. So now I'm going to season it up with 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasonings, and some sea salt and some black pepper. And at the very end, I'm going to add 1 bay leaf and continue to mix everything together. Now I'm going to add and stir in some really good chicken broth. Because while that's going, I'm going to show you the star of the show, and that's the black eyed peas. I usually like to soak my peas overnight, 24 hours, and I've already rinsed them and drained them, and I'm going to head on over and add those to the pot. And if that wasn't enough flavor, I'm going to go ahead and add a smoked turkey wing to the pot, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in and bring it up to a boil, and then I'm going to bring it down to a simmer and allow my beans to cook between 30 and 40 minutes. And at the very end, I'm going to go ahead and add the fresh kale and the bacon bits that I browned up earlier. Make sure to do a taste test just to make sure that the seasoning is on point, and you want to let this simmer for another 10 minutes. So my black eyed peas are all done, and it was really delicious, you guys. I went ahead and I served it up with some rice, and this really is a delicious dinner that my household, I'm sure many households, will enjoy on New Year's Day. But we are all done, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting that subscriber button you see at the bottom of the screen. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. But until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate all of you, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.